I want to show you my 10x better trading strategy with free indicator on TradingView. No paid tools, no fancy stuff, nothing you gotta subscribe for. Just 2 free indicators that you get set up in minutes. And honestly, this combo way cleaner than most premium setups out there. You're gonna see exactly how I traded step by step without wasting a second. Step 1. Keltner channels. Alright, first up, the Keltner channels. Basically, you've got 3 lines, the top, the bottom, and the middle one, called the basis. Default settings work okay, but here's my tweak. Set the length to 50, multiplier to 1. And this is key, we're not jumping in blindly, we're waiting for the right confirmations. Step 2. MACD4C. Next piece of the puzzle, the MACD4C. This is an oscillator and it's paired perfectly with the Keltner channel for my 10x better trading strategy with free indicators on TradingView. Quick setup. Fast moving average 14, slow 200, then histogram as columns. Boom, you've got a clean visual of momentum and market direction all in once. Step 3. How I trade it. Here's how I actually use it. Say price is above the Keltner channels, that signals bullish bias, right? But I don't just go all in. I wait for the price to dip back under the line, then push back above it. When a candle closes above the upper band and the MACD4C is green at the same time, that's my buy signal. I always play my stop loss just under the recent swing low. My target? Around twice the amount I risk. Now, let's flip it. Price is below the Keltner. I wait for it to poke above it and then drop back under. When a candle closes under the lower band and the MACD4C is red, that's a sell signal. That works on all time frames. Really. I personally like the 1 hour chart for BTC, and that's my 10x better trading strategy with free indicators on TradingView in action. Now here's what I want to know. Do you like it when I make short packed videos like this, or do you prefer my longer, more detailed videos? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what works best for you. Happy trading!